Now, we see our role as introducing a lot of concepts. So we are not trying to do a full acoustic simulation because there's going to be way more setup involved to do that. But instead, we want to educate the client that these phenomenon exist so that then their eyes can be opened and they'll be more open to discussing a solution for it, right? Because a lot of times a conference room like this is going to sound awful. It's just all hard surfaces, which then makes conference call audio horrible, both on the far end and on the receiving end. And most clients are going to say, well, I want to buy a better microphone. And that's just not the issue. The issue is reverberation. And so we can visualize that, this little burst of sound here. And I'll even pause it just for a moment. So the idea is every single particle of light is representing the energy of sound. And so as they are bouncing around the room, and this is of course slowed down because sound moves just a little bit faster, as they slowly start to turn red, that's indicating that that sound has existed far too long, and that's where it really starts hurting the clarity of conference calls or videos, movies, whatever the audio is. And so we had so much red bouncing around there, and if we bring in just a little bit to clean that up, so I'll bring back a carpet in here, and I'll put in some acoustic treatment here. We'll just do I'll do the exact same one I did with Michael, just because this one looks nice. And I'll just plaster this whole wall with it. Plaster this whole wall. A TV is going to stick through, but that's all right. Do a bunch over here, so that way we can't even get in and out of the room. Okay, we got a lot of acoustic treatment in here now. So now when I do this burst, I want you to pay attention and look at how long those audio particles stick around, and none of them turn red. And so what we've done here is we have opened the client's eyes to this idea of reverberation. We're saying, look, no matter what kind of microphone you put in, it's not going to solve the problem. What you need is acoustic treatment, a totally different investment you probably weren't even thinking about. That's how you solve your issue. There's a really good chance your current equipment is just fine.